Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best QC35 Ear Cushions is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for Bose QuietComfort 35 headphones, promising renewed comfort and sound quality. This video will dive deep into what makes these ear cushions stand out, exploring their material, design, installation process, and of course, the impact they have on your listening experience. We'll also compare them to other options on the market and help you decide if they're the right investment for your beloved QC35s. Number 5. SoloWIT Earpads for Bose QC35. These Earpads are designed to fit perfectly on your Bose headphones. They work with many models, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit. Installation is a breeze. With the included tools and instructions, you can easily replace your old Earpads in just a few minutes. Experience enhanced comfort and sound quality. The high-density foam and premium leather provide excellent noise isolation and richer bass. Give your headphones a fresh new look and feel. Replacing your old Earpads is a simple way to revitalize your listening experience. We're committed to providing high-quality Earpads. If you have any issues, please contact us for assistance. What we like. It boasts superior softness and excellent noise reduction. The installation is a breeze, taking only 5 minutes. If you prioritize comfort and sound quality, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The added thickness of the cushions ensures a plush and cozy fit, making it feel like a custom-made experience for my ears. I can now enjoy my favorite music or podcasts for hours on end without any discomfort or soreness. The noise isolation foam integrated into these Earpads is a game-changer. It effectively blocks out external sounds, allowing me to fully immerse myself in my audio without any distractions. The installation process was incredibly simple and hassle-free. The Earpads fit perfectly onto my Bose QC35 headphones, aligning flawlessly with the original mounting points. Number 4. Link Dream Bose QC Ear Pads. These replacement ear cushions are designed to perfectly fit your Bose QuietComfort 35, 25, 15, and other select models. Enjoy a comfortable and secure fit. Made with high-quality protein leather and foam, they're as soft as the originals. Experience all-day listening comfort without discomfort. The memory foam effectively blocks outside noise, preserving your headphones' original, high-fidelity sound. Immerse yourself in your music. Replacing your old ear pads is quick and easy. Simply remove the old ones and snap these on, they won't fall off easily. We stand behind our product. Contact us within 24 hours if you experience any issues, we'll respond promptly. What we like. These Earpads are as soft as the originals and ensure zero sound quality loss. Installation is quick and easy. If you want to maintain your headphones' original audio experience while enjoying enhanced comfort, this is for you. What people say. The pads fit perfectly and were pretty easy to put into my headphones. Extend the life of your QCII headphones. Very comfortable. Easy installation. Fits perfectly, took a bit of handwork which was better than tool to slice under tabs but wore 3 hours on a trip, pads were comfortable and closed out noise. Number 3. GEVO Bose QC35 Ear Pads. Experience unparalleled comfort with these replacement ear pads. The plush memory foam conforms to your ears, providing a luxurious feel for hours of listening pleasure. These thicker ear pads enhance noise cancellation. Enjoy pristine sound quality without distractions, immersing yourself in your audio. Designed specifically for Bose QC35 and QC35-2 headphones, they offer a snug and secure fit. They're easy to install and create an excellent acoustic seal. Crafted from premium materials, they are built to withstand daily use. The durable construction ensures they maintain their shape and comfort over time. Your purchase includes 2 ear pads, dust covers, and alcohol wipes for easy cleaning and installation. We're confident you'll love them. We stand behind our product. Contact us for a replacement or refund if you experience any issues. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. Experience unparalleled comfort with these incredibly soft and long-lasting Earpads. They also significantly improve noise cancellation. If all-day listening comfort and superior noise reduction are your priorities, then choose these. What people say. The premium quality description of these replacement pads is accurate and the price is a bargain, compared to Bose. The kit comes with instructions and everything needed to install the pads, even a flathead tool to push the plastic ring under the hooks in the headphones to hold them in place. These appear factory quality in design, appearance, materials. 1010 was easy to install due to I had read other reviews took 5 minutes total maybe to do both. The fit great and they are comfy. Very good. Fits perfectly like the original. Easy to install, but there are installation videos if needed. Number 2. Bose QC35 Ear Cushion Kit. Keep your Bose QuietComfort 35 headphones feeling like new. This kit provides a fresh pair of ear cushions for exceptional comfort. These cushions are designed to perfectly fit your QuietComfort 35 headphones. Experience the same amazing comfort as when they were brand new. Replacing the cushions is quick and easy. Simply follow the instructions and you'll be enjoying your headphones again in minutes. These are genuine Bose replacement cushions, ensuring a perfect fit and superior sound quality. They're made to last. The package includes 2 ear cushions, 1 for each ear cup. Everything you need for a complete refresh is right here. It's specifically designed for the Bose QuietComfort 35 headphones. Make sure you have the right model before purchasing. What we like. These are the authentic Bose replacement cushions, guaranteeing a perfect fit and seamless integration with your headphones. If you value originality and a precise fit, this is your only option. What people say. The replacement kit effortlessly restored the comfort of my Bose QuietComfort 35 headphones. The new ear cushions provide a plush and cozy feel, making extended wear a pleasure without compromising on comfort. The replacement cushions not only restored comfort but also improved noise isolation. The snug fit creates a barrier against external sounds, allowing for a more immersive and distraction-free listening session. Crafted from durable materials, the replacement cushions maintain their integrity over time. The high-quality construction ensures longevity, so I can enjoy the renewed comfort and performance for an extended period. Number 1. SoloWIT Earpads for Bose QC35. Give your headphones a new lease on life with these replacement earpads. They're designed for superior comfort and sound quality. These earpads are compatible with a wide range of Bose headphones, ensuring a perfect fit. Check the compatibility list to see if yours is included. Installation is a breeze. With the included tools and instructions, you'll have them on in minutes. Experience enhanced noise isolation and deeper bass thanks to the high-density foam and premium leather. They're designed for all-day comfort. Don't let worn-out earpads ruin your listening experience. Treat your headphones to a stylish and comfortable upgrade. We stand behind our product. Contact us for a replacement or refund if you encounter any issues. What we like. These offer a luxurious feel with soft leather and effective noise isolation, while being incredibly easy to install. If you're looking for a comfortable, high-quality replacement that's simple to fit, this is a great option. What people say. The quality of these replacement earpads is outstanding. They are crafted from premium materials that not only feel soft and comfortable but also durable. The memory foam inside is plush and provides a snug fit, which significantly enhances the overall comfort during extended listening sessions. The installation process was a breeze. With clear instructions and a perfect fit for my QC35 headphones, it took only a matter of minutes to replace the old Earpads. The improved sound isolation is a game changer. The replacement Earpads create a better seal around my ears, effectively reducing outside noise and enhancing the audio experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.